One chain. When I'm rapping about my bones, it is not humorous. Nah, this is serious. Got my boy Yeezy showing off his humorous. Got the appendicular and the exoskeleton. Jay-Z telling him, let my gold chain hang on my clavicle. Atlas part of my vertebrae, but that's not geographical. Nah, using my plan is to make it rain Benjamins. Biggie out here killing him. Tarsals and metatarsals in my J's. Eating ribs when I'm the humankind. That would be cannibalism. I'm in a prism, working at the pyramid. My mama's been bugging me. Rub my temporal bone. Told me to watch my tone. Chris Brown tried to break my mandible. Is this understandable? But we too thuggin'. Here we go.